Hey guys, and today we are going to be watching the PewDiePie vs. T-Series Sup Count. PewDiePie vs. Tyson Race! Go PewDiePie, I know you're winning. Go PewDiePie, I know you're winning. Oh my gosh.
Very simple tactics.
Oh no.
Not your fault.
Do you see this?
Yes.
Okay, that was just a check on. We're really going to be playing PewDiePie's Tober to give extra support so PewDiePie can win.
Joe, who's your favorite Rainbow YouTuber?
Yes, I would like to continue as the Max the Gamer. Could not log in with current account. What do you mean? I want to continue. Come on. Alright. 55 sub. Nice. Okay. Okay, my new shipment has arrived. My trash can. Make a video. Make a video.
Upstairs needs to join the message. He's not on my floor.
Okay. Nerds. We're doing the Nerds Part 2. Okay. Let's see what my top 10 videos are. Twerking in public. This is my 10th popular Flammables in the wild.
Oh. What? What?
Flammables in the wild. My laser eye surgery gone long. I keep forgetting that I even made these. Okay, so right now I'm going to the shop to buy as much stuff as I can.
I knifed him. I knifed him at 400 ping.
Okay, that's useless. You know, none of this stuff is useless. I'm buying a cat. I am buying a cat. Yes, I have to buy a cat. Though I just did waste all my views. Who cares? I need a cat in this game.
Let's go.
100 views for Puggle? What? No, I'm not playing again. My video is coming along nice and steady. Climb. gained 5,000 total views. What? I might actually get it. About ready to collect my video subs.
What? You can shoot me. You can't do anything.
Oh my gosh. 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 Make another video. Okay. Morning my diggy pet. Okay.
Will that work?
Making a video. Get up ready. Okay.
Alright, bet.
We're about to start generating views. Okay. Alright, let's check this. Oh, only 100.
Kind of looks like it's just you and me.
Okay.
You can see this. That's not fair.
Landed a food ball 2 times in Puggle. We are so close to getting the 5,000 views total.
Last time.
So close. Close. So close. So close.
Oh, he's right here.
So incredibly close. So incredibly close. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
No, I'm dead.
Not bad for your talent.
How did I?
But not bad either.
Nice. Thank you, PewDiePie. Alright.
No. Good work, Joe.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.